Do you want to enter in recession proof industry? Are you interested in doing medical representative job? Then here is the solutions. Here I am giving you few of the informations that why you should enter to the pharmaceutical industry. You must be surprised that why in the time of the lockdown or a pandemic situations like a corona, I am here you and telling you to join a recession proof industries. I will provide you specific reason why you should enter to this recession proof industries. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Purti and I am working in the pharmaceutical industry since last 15 years. So I am here to share you few of my experience that why you should enter to the pharmaceutical industry. Basically, the two people, they will require new jobs now. First, so many graduate will come to the industry and they are in the need or they are in the search of their job. And second persons, due to the recession, so many people they are they may lose their job, so they are looking for the job. So for that people, I am here to tell you that you will have a very good chance to enter to the pharmaceutical industry. Now all the persons have one questions in that mind, that if we wanted to enter to the pharmaceutical industry, we should have some qualification in required. Yes, you are true. Pharma industry, they required a science background people on first priority. That is BSc, B Pharm, M Pharm, D Pharm and all. If they are not, nowadays pharmaceutical industry also allowed MBA and BBA people, and even few of the BTech peoples are also there in pharmaceutical industry. And now BCom and BA people is also applying for the pharmaceutical industry. If company suits to their requirements, they allowed that person. So again, I am not telling that each and every company they required all these people, but yes, it again depends on the company and their basic requirements of the qualifications. They do have a very basic requirement of age also. So out of so many industry, like you do have a very good scope to enter into the banking segment. You can go to insurance segment, IT segment, marketing segment, OTC, retail, animations and so on. There are lots more segments you can enter into, or you may get a chance over there also. But again a question mark, and you have to ask to yourself that is it recession proof industry? The answer may be no, because you take any of the thing, you take insurance segment, previously it was boom, but gradually sometimes the recessions comes and it goes down. You take IT segment. When I joined to the industry at that times, there is a very high, or you can say a boom in the IT segment, but yes, gradually or somewhat in between they feel some recession in the IT segment. So I can say that I'm working in the industry since last 15 years and I'm observing that pharma industries is never on on the recession period, and that is why its growth is little bit stagnant, you can say, but it's gradually growing and day in day out it's growing. And there is a very specific there is specific reason why the pharma industry is growing. Each and everything I am unable to tell you, so I request you to subscribe my channel, so maybe in the next time whenever I come up with a few of the information related with the pharma industry, you come to know that how the industry is growing, how the pharmaceutical marketing is working, and all the medical representative related talk I will provide you in my future video. So this is why I feel that the person should enter to the pharmaceutical industry and medical representative job is there. Second thing, if you enter to the pharmaceutical industry as a medical representative, you will get a very good chance to upgrade yourselves, because who will be your customers? Definitely a doctor. So you will come across with that persons who is the highest educated persons of the society. The doctors will not only you are not over there just to promote your product, but gradually as the time pass, doctors will make you learn few of the new things also. And I'm telling you from my practical experience. So pharmaceutical industry is very well for the future growth of you, and not only you will earn, but you will learn also through this industry. You can say it's a white collar job and you can do it very happily. Second, why you should come to the pharmaceutical industry, or why I say that it is recession proof industry, because India is the highest manufacturer. India is the third largest manufacturer in terms of the generic market. India do have a very wide pharmaceutical market, and yes, day in day out, just recently only I just come up with one of very beautiful video that why the supreme power like America, they want hydroxychloroquine from India. I have given a very specific reason for that. If you haven't seen it, just see my YouTube channel, and I have uploaded that why hydroxychloroquine required by America and all over the world. You will get all the informations. So every country of the globe now they depend on India, because India is the biggest supplier of medicines, and that is available with a very affordable rate. So definitely there future scope is there, and it will be you will never find any recession period over that. So we can say that it is a recession proof industry. Second, every patient, you find one person in all of the family, either the person is having blood pressures, diabetes, osteoporosis, some thyroid problem, some cardiac problem, and whatsoever. So now day by day chronic disease is increasing, and where the person has to go to the doctors, and doctors get a very good chance to prescribe the drug. So gradually, due to the lifestyle, due to a very high populations in India, 130 plus crore people, and day in day out they want doctors, so it will also gradually increase. Second, chronic diseases now so many people they are having a cancer, and some of the chronic disease, uncertainty disease like this coronavirus. So in such a conditions, only the pharma segment is there who is stable. It's growing, and they require some of the basic drugs, and they fulfill the demands of all the Indian. So that is why I feel that due to that only everyone they required medicines, and for that pharmaceutical industry is the best options. If you have a entering to the pharmaceutical industry as a medical representative, another very good scope for you is to develop yourselves. You will have able to earn very handsome salary. Along with that, handsome incentive is there, the traveling allowances, that extensions allowances and all is also handsome one. You can, even after doing expense, you can save little bit amount. And maybe in the future video I come with information that how the pharmaceutical industry is paying. You will have a very good chance to earn a lot of incentive, and yes, in the future you get a very good chance for the promotions, because medical representative job is not a full stop. You will get the chance to elevate as a territory manager, regional manager, zonal manager, general manager, product team manager, so on. Lot many positions are there. You can enter to that positions, and you can expand your lifestyle. So this is somewhat little bit about the pharmaceutical industry, and definitely if you enter to this recession proof industries, your life will be smooth one, and you will be able to fulfill all your dream. Hope you like it, and I request you to kindly subscribe my channels, so that if even don't forget to select the bell icon, because maybe in the futures if I come with new video, that will help you. Thank you so much.